Yes, of course, nkuna kwakira cyumpati ya kabiri hamwe na Nick Kembo. Of course, nsaka want to discussing na tugambire byo mitambura bita kijo kitambura cha music atugambire no umuntu wamuhandikiye cyishongoro kiba kweta umutaka tumumanyire we had tukahura ngukino umuntu uyahira heru even za Nigeria ngwe izira kahandike cyishongoro n'amazimani ngatuko ahandi show akagikorera nkahi akagikora Lake View this time bajya ngenda kugikora akacheka omuchayi kacheka ebyo nsaka want to discussing ngahe nyine Apex TV hamwe na ADB the entertainer nakwashira munywanwa nje Nikiri
ninye ntakira muzeye
tugambire ahaceshongoro omutaka tumumanyire mbaye bakungambira ngumanya ngino muto wahira heru kujya kwandika cyeshongoro eki n'amazima ninga
ashoboka kurga heru nana amanyoro nyankore cyeshongoro kikahandikwa omuntu wa yes no wacandikira umutaka amanyoro nyankore kubasa kurusyo ronzi yaje yes
gariko turabire muturebe omutaka tumumanyire
otabesiga bijwire nkwe bino buya Iwoko kuria matiba kubya ma balala nibakwirusya otabahurabo bine magambo nibazunzi ha haza nibabeiha nibebeiha bagira we born to be champion together forever sure nyowe niwe turi kumwe Apex TV ntukitera.
Thank you so much. Tugambire music you know shows right now like more inspirational. Yes, nkukwegesa kwinji munonga. Chiri nkahi.
Because I get nkazo management bakweta cyberspace. So they had to change me physically naturally buri kimwe cyona. Cyo kureba I need to sing ekintu eky'abantu ekibarahurukirize bakaguma nebakiteko mu nkora. Kikaguma hombwene kitari cyo kugira kweshongora kika waza kuforuinga byeshongoro byanje ninyeshongore beshongore kugumaho obwire buringwa cye kiganye Natasha umutaka tumanyire hatugiro mu rugendo wacenga
saka shira rugendo like ko comparing music ya hati nane yakare ntugirebe june tamburita
of course hati nindeba netambura munonga nahim mpikira nahimbire ntakahikaga ombwire wenyuma mpikira ahantu hintakahigaga so hati nindeba ninterwa TV zone all over the country nkaterwa ha Tracy ndia hati ndia Apex hati niche chinko bani nyene
recently okoze the show hari henyine muri kacheka barimba tugambira ngo hati ngo wakagikora Lake View this time babimba tugambira ngo nakugikora kacheka is it true
it can be abo kuba nti abantu bakabata kucikiriza ngo nimbasa kukitera Lake View kati nimbasa kuno kuchiplanning nchiteka kacheka kandi mbereke ngo ninchitera na buri muntu wena na hwamani
confidence je no jiyankai
because you have to believe in yourself no banzo yikireza mudena nabandi babone kwikireza you have to believe in yourself then buri kimwe kikoraje because I know tikacheka ninje basa kandi mbasa kugitera abantu bona nimbateka akasendeka cyo benkumita no bakasha konkani itera kacheka ninjuja neboga
turigire aha mutaga tumumanyire now what's next
turiyo mu rugendo
tutwaro mishi turebe
aha akesho ngo nkajya kati mwena hariho ikintu cyo kureba n'amashimiro n'igakakurenga
it's like karionka kwato so far ndebire everywhere playlists za radio stations nkayibona karionka tambura
yes okuba nti nkeshongwire ahabura umuntu wena abuko atine muntu atakukera mukashesha kajwara kakwata umuhanda kazo mu rugendo no cero mukasheshe ojwala kurunje hotyo obonera yamawe okwatsa umuhando rugendo you dream to be a star you want to be a star olona mashaija hazotoba ayende byamani hazakola run for your future run for your gratitude ebyenso bisigawo ofayo hazokola run for your future ADB run for your gratitude ebyenso bisigao ofayo hazokola no rugendo Apex TV boli omenana wo mu rugendo olabiro mu bintu ebyamano ori kukora namani
thank you so much mamweta Nick Kembo of course tugambire management niche kubane kuyambaho ninga omuntu uri mu management no tari management
of course management ni enyambire munonga cyberspace management enyambire munonga enterize yanshungana nabo mweshongozi wabantu yes I sing for people now I no longer sing for myself yes I sing for people ni nyeshongora message abantu base kuchikwata bakiteko mu nkora guma hari inyo kiteno mu nkora musha ngokuna yeshongora kesho hano nkirira bari yababandize habansigire nyawo nindira guma hari inyo kiteno mu nkora mushaho wanje ni ori kubakira amazima obonire aninda yirangu kutindi kureka narahira na ruhanga sho niwe wanje tibye mpaka echo likwendo tafayo nonshaba wanyanga amazima ninkaba.
By the first take us through ebyishongo by'inyuma munonga likes of Natasha bichibyona banzo tugarire inyuma turebi.
Of course ati Natasha, it was my first song. Okay. Natasha kirizanze omutima gwange guli mugwe bene baka ndotagwe omunzikiza yegwegwe ndaba Natasha njogera mazima nze siri mulimba asina kindi nze siri muyaye omutima gwange nasimagwe.
Thank you so much. Nikiri Kembo oyine album zingahe?
Of course nyine album zibiri now free 6 songs ibyo shongori 12 hatebe nyine.
Okay.
Yes.
Music yawe sano rino rene tambura Kampala like watch kumbelengane y'abaganda neki
azan tukitera manyabi abanyankuru baza kukireba abanyankuru into twine music nonje munonga. Yes ni twintu bura mu ikintu kimwe cya promotion n'abantu kutwikiriza mu tukitera
imo mwenyine beshongozi nipure mwine nkokora mwe hekera nkitambura kita watch urireho ninga
nano business ebyo tubikabura.
Okay, yes, Nikiri tugambire no umuntu wo kwinspiring akore ikintu cyo rino koroti ngo rino kikora.
Of course by the time ubona abenshi ryo musine ya 4 nkaba ninkuna munonga Baby Wayinogo.
Wow.
Oho yabanatera kabaseke nganze wenkora bajerege.
Wow.
Ati niyo music ninje yo tangire kureba umutakatu mumanyire.
Music mu message.
Wachireba message yo ku building anta abantu bakabasa kukunda no mama ikintu ko kweshongora message yazo mbantu abantu bongera kukunda.
Okay.
So nanye Baby Wayne mbwenu wabe nanchi kunsikiriza kurebuka ngunanya nazo mu kintu cya music.
Like where do you see yourself like myaka yaza kwija?
Of course myaka yaza kwija ninza kubandu nanye nja kubela untouchable. You understand? Konka untouchable arugumo mbanta ukanyoni nkunda my role model ko ari Baby Wayne umuraba ari so deep into mbantu nyoni nkunda munongo kugumo mbantu munonga. I don't need to show off.
By the way, ndakushase chirimi like you've been on Bantu for so long. Tokashanga umuntu na ine interone ni wembe bichibichi kuyo no chikorotiwe.
Kashati nzirigankai. Nyo if I'm someone who is down to us nicho kureba ngu nyo think abasa creating antaro tokabasa kushanga umuntu bangu na ngambo mabi bana ambifinga. No, it can't because I know what it means to live good in this industry. Ncho kureba nimbasa kora shonka like vya bantu bize because nibakunda uri umuntu wabo murungi. Toine honzuro yona. That is it.
Umashungu zo murunje shimye kubona itwaza tanko mbigamo kabishatu like ngo bintu kabishatu.
You should be humble. You should be honest. Oyino kubera ngo ine empisa humble no kola chi kubera honest and trustworthy by the way. Yes, obo maze.
Wow.
If you're trustworthy, if you're humble, if you're honest and if you're full of behaviors, you can win everything. That's the fact.
Recently by the Osaka Judge in Chakosati. Recently hariho abantu bakozire show hare nyine aha mwanya gwa like vya hiwa koriri. Actually show eje teratambuireji. Tabarafunde na half of your people. Ukije watch korota na magic oyine nozomba fumu no chikorota. Like tell me.
Kandi what echena nyenda kugeza okongera now. They are the best. In Uganda.
They are the best.
They are the best in Nabamani. It's one of the biggest bands in Uganda. Nabamanya. Konkaba kazele keviya barimo.
The magic chiye wakozise.
It's not magic. That's why I told you that people power belongs to the people. Ntabantu wabo barumu nabono basa they can follow you up. You understand? So kojire nkagaga tarimana gabantu nanyikanta kuza kuchikora. So that's why I give them respect and I have to appreciate them. Nti nyonka basa kuzayo na singa na bari tubarakize na hafu y'abantu banje maje.
Yes. Of course I was there to spy.
You can wonder then. Nti nyoni kiri ninyo.
Okay.
That's how they call me the Western champion.
Nyangu right now tutebera mu camera or advising umeshongozi right now uri natureba. Ngicho kumuhabura just akwege hochi right now.
Of course hata beshongozi batayibanje nkabire nimbahereza nke bintu like 3 to 4. First of all nchendo banzo yemanye who you are origire nkahi. Umunyankore nagira ngo wabura kumanya ho origire naho kuzano basobota hikayo. Banzo yemanye ninyo handigire nkahi ndi nkahi wachire waiza comparing ibintu byo no basa kuba who you are. Echindi oshime kubugire mchwe respect people nti omunyankole akajati no banzo jiro buntu bukuhereza abantu bakuhereza ebintu wabachiwe yes ati wajira waba no basaku bano no following ebintu you can be someone you can be somewhere you understand so ebintu byo kujja ngo no basakureba wateranka kahito bo ina huwari wayepanka it doesn't munaka okugambira mazima nti nabine za kalina tebepanka they are down to us they know what they want okitegeera nti you should be always be yourself. Don't take yourself to be someone who is a bit higher. Don't take yourself for granted, you know. So bera gwenga gwe ichikuri omuntu omunda kurumu akugumemu. Don't see yourself as someone who is bigger than everyone, you understand? It will take you somewhere else where you want it, like my friend. Tikatubere fenga fe ate twekumirize ate twagala abantu kubanga be batufudde kye tuli. We give them respect and we respect their time that they do give to us, you understand? They call me Nikile Kembo.
Bakufune bata, bakufune amikutehana ne right nabo amba kwenda ningu mutiyana ndakuhereza ikintu cyona kugamba niwe.
Of course, ekikubanza no mfuna asumu yanje ya 07533 10640 07533 10640. You get me everywhere. You can get me on WhatsApp, you can get me on Twitter Nikile Kembo, Instagram Nikile Kembo, everywhere. Nikile Kembo, YouTube, girl, my music everywhere. So I need you to like my stuff, everything on me. Munjagale baganda bange tubere wafena tutambule wamu no rugendo.
Thank you so much. Of course Mamweta Nikile Kembo, of course Western champion abana bacanikiri kurugaburiye up to now right now nyo nikinka kiri mu ishomero nikira kukitera up to now. Thank you so much nikiri kustayira ahenyine Apex TV music ya Western Uganda iri negendo misho shows nyingi zionze no misho mu Western Uganda abana urema by improving every day, every time. Nimbendese birunje of course. Following me kutijia burisho, that's Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Apex TV, UG. Hamana ADB the entertainer. See you.